Welcome to the course on effective communication skills. I'm excited to guide you on this journey to becoming a more confident and impactful communicator. In this course, you'll learn the foundations of effective communication, including both verbal and nonverbal skills, active listening, and written communication. We'll also cover how to handle difficult conversations and communicate effectively in professional and leadership roles. Effective communication skills are essential for building strong relationships, succeeding in your career, resolving conflicts, and inspiring those around you. These skills are valuable in every aspect of life. This course is designed for everyone, whether you're just starting out, leading a team, or simply want to communicate more effectively in your personal and professional life. The course is organized into easy-to-follow modules with real-life examples, practical exercises, and quizzes to help you assess your progress and apply what you learn. To get the most out of this course, watch each video carefully, take notes, practice the skills you learn, and complete all exercises and quizzes. I'm Alex, an experienced communication coach passionate about helping people like you unlock their full potential. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Are you ready to improve your communication skills? Let's begin your learning journey together and unlock new opportunities for personal and professional growth.